In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website with AI. Firstly, it's essential to have a Wix account, so go ahead and log into your existing account. Once you're there, you might be directed straight to the dashboard. If this happens, all you need to do is navigate to the top left corner of the dashboard. You'll see an option that says All Sites. Click on it, and subsequently, you'll want to select Create New Site. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can either set up without chat or begin with the chat feature. For a more customized design experience, I recommend choosing Start with Chat. This approach leverages AI to tailor your website more closely to your needs. As you proceed, you'll be required to answer a few straightforward questions. Tell Wix what your site is all about, be it a shop, a blog, or a personal portfolio. You'll need to share the name of your shop and outline the products or services you intend to offer. You will also be asked about your website goals, so take a moment to think about whether you want to sell online, increase brand awareness, or perhaps something else. If you encounter a question that doesn't seem relevant, don't worry. You have the option to skip it and move forward. Once you've completed the questionnaire, click Go to Dashboard to continue. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner and click Design Site. From there, you'll want to select Generate a Design with AI. It's at this stage that the magic happens. Wix will work its magic, and in just a few minutes, you'll be presented with a preview of your new site. If for some reason the initial design doesn't completely meet your expectations, there's no need to worry. You can simply opt to click Tweak Design, and Wix will generate a new version of the site for you to review. Once you find a design that resonates with you, just click Continue with this design. And there you have it, your full website layout created by Wix's AI. It's ready and waiting for you to customize even further to ensure it fully aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and launch your new site to the world. If this video helped you understand the steps to creating a Wix website with AI, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tutorials or updates. Your support helps us continue to bring more valuable content to you. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.